This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah, yeah. Hi, Manisha. Shall we start the session?
Yeah, we can start.
So we are supposed to see the GL account creation, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So create rent GL account FS00. Okay. As I was mentioning, as I was explaining in the last session, what is GL account? Basically, it is an element through which data will be captured by the end users. That means while processing the transactions by the end users, that data related to a particular activity or particular transaction will be captured into the system using some elements, and those elements are called as GL accounts. So basically, what is a GL account? It's a general ledger account. General ledger account is an element through which data will be processed into the system. That means data will be recorded into the system in the form of GL accounts. Okay. So first what I will do is I will show you how to create a GL account, and once we create a GL account, how end users will process the transactions into the system. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Yeah, hope my screen is visible.
Yeah, I can see your screen.
Yeah. So step number 5, create rent GL account I have mentioned. Okay, so create rent GL account. In this particular step number 5, there are two sub steps, please. Okay, so sub
Okay.
step 1, please take a note. Sub step 1. Sub step 1, which is only one time step, need not have to do every time. Okay, once we do this step, that holds good for till the end of the completion of the course. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So activating, just activating 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 options, and the code is FS00 only. Code is FS00. Please do remember that this is only one time job, one time activity only, one time activity. Okay, it is one time activity only. Yeah, please take down the path. I hope I have given the path already,
Yeah,
right?
path you
So
have given you.
yeah, but anyway, I'll show you once again. If you have missed in somewhere, please do make a note of it. So it is SAP Easy Access, accounting, accounting, then financial accounting, financial accounting, financial accounting. My system is very slow. Financial accounting, then general ledger, then master records, master records, then GL accounts, then individual processing, then FS00 centrally. Till this point I have explained. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, now write down from now onwards carefully. Double click on FS00 centrally. Double click on FS00 centrally. Double click on that FS00 centrally. Then click on extras. Sorry. So click on settings on the main menu. Is it visible?
Yeah.
Yeah. Click on settings on the main menu. Then click on hierarchy display. Click on hierarchy display. Click on hierarchy display. I haven't clicked so far, but before clicking on this hierarchy display, just remember, just observe the screen. Left side it is filled up with some field and data. Right side it is completely empty. It is white in color. Have you observed that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So now just remember the screen, then I'll show you what will happen. So click on settings, click on hierarchy display. Then select display accounts in navigation tree radio button. Second one, select display accounts in navigation tree radio button. Select display accounts in navigation tree radio button. Select display accounts in navigation tree radio button. Press enter. Press enter. The next. Are you in the train?
No.
Okay. Get the message. Please note down this message. Get the message. The new settings will take effect. Get the message. The new settings will take effect once the transaction is restarted. Get the message. The new settings will take effect once the transaction is restarted. Get the message. The new settings will take effect once the transaction is restarted. Ignore the message. Ignore the message. Press enter. Press enter. Ignore the message. Press enter. Click on back option. So you can see here back. It is in green with the left side arrow in white color. Click on back. That's it. Clear?
Yeah.
Yeah. Then come to the second step. Next step, substep 2. Now let us see creation of GL account actually. So substep 2. Creation of rent GL account using FS00. Using FS00. Using FS00. Creation of rent GL account using FS00. Using FS00. Yeah. See, before creating the rent GL account, I would like to show you one screen in which we have created some account groups. We have created some account groups. See, if you have remembered well, in the last sessions, we have created some account groups. Okay. See, these are the 4 account groups which we have created under the chart of accounts MMI1. Assets, expenses, liabilities, and revenue. For assets, we have given 1 lakh, 1,99,000. Expenses 3 to 399, liabilities 2 to 299, revenue 4 to 499. Okay. So now what we are trying to do is we are trying to create a GL account which is called as rent GL account. Okay. That means business is paying the rent. My assumption is business is paying the rent, nothing but organization is making a payment of rent. So when it is making payment of a rent will become an income or expense? Does it becomes a revenue or expense?
Revenue.
Madam,
For
you have owned,
business,
let
it will
me,
be but
business is paying rent,
for them it will be expense.
it will be an expense.
Yeah.
Okay, right. Expense means for expenses we have created one account group EXPN expenses with a number range of 3 lakhs to 3 lakhs 99. Clear?
Yeah. Yeah.
Right? That means as we are trying to create a rent expense GL account, we are supposed to use that number range which is from 3 lakhs to 3 lakhs 99. That means rent is an expense for the organization as it is making payment of rent. So to capture information related to the rent, we use rent GL account, and for that rent GL account we have to assign a number, and that number will be taken from this particular number range, that is 3 lakhs to 3 lakhs 99. Am I clear with my explanation?
Yeah.
Yeah. So let us create rent GL account. Okay. Path is same. Path is same as substep 1 only. Okay. So just make a note of it. Path is same as substep 1. Path is same as substep 1. Okay. That means whatever the path we have followed, the same path we are supposed to follow. That is what is my meaning. So let me show you once again. Anyway, no need to note down the path because you have already taken down the path. So just I will show you. So it is SAP Easy Access, accounting, financial accounting, general ledger, document, sorry, master records, GL accounts, individual processing, FS00 centrally, right? So just
Yeah.
I'm double clicking on that, double click on FS00. From this point onwards you write, double click on FS00 centrally, double click on FS00 centrally, double click on FS00 centrally, double click on this. Manisha, observe the screen now. Earlier this
Yeah.
right side, yeah, it was completely blank. Now some changes you can see, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll repeat once again. Double click on FS00 centrally. Now click on this change company code icon. Here you can see, click on change company code icon. Click on change company code icon. Is it visible, this icon?
Yeah, it's visible.
So click on change company code. Give the company code, our company code. Our company code is MMI1. Give the company code MMI1. Press enter. Press enter. Ignore the message. Ignore the message. Press enter. Ignore the message. Press enter. Ignore the message, press enter. Click on create icon. Click on create icon. It is something like a new folder which is white in color. Click on create. Click on create. Okay, right.
Yeah.
So which GL account we are trying to create? Rent GL account. And that rent GL account, we assumed that it is an expense for the organization. Okay, as it is an expense for the organization, it should be created within the number range of 3 lakhs to 3 lakhs 99. That means from this number range, any number which is available, you can take, you can use, we can make use of it. So what I am doing is I am taking the first number, that is 3 lakh 1. So give GL account number 3 lakh 1. You can give 3 lakhs as well, it is available, but just I am taking 3 lakh 1. 3 lakh 1. Give the company code, our company code MMI1. MMI1. Press enter. Press enter. Press enter. See here, 3 lakh 1 MMI1. Visible?
Yeah.
Yeah. Next, account group. See, observe the screen carefully. If I click on this icon, account groups will appear here. Okay, if I click on this particular icon, account groups will appear. How many account groups we have created? Totally we have created 4 account groups: assets, expenses, liabilities, revenue. So whatever the number of account groups we have created in this screen, all those account groups will appear here if I click on this particular icon. So observe, I am clicking now. See, right?
Yes.
So 4 account groups in this. Select expenses account group. Click on this icon and select expenses account group. Expenses account group. Expenses account group. Okay. Then next, see, you are able to see 2 options here. One is P&L statement account and other one is balance sheet account. Okay.
Yes.
So please do make a note of it in your notebook, one particular side. Expenses and revenue. Please do make a note of it. Write somewhere in your notebook. Expenses and revenue account groups. Expenses and revenue account groups related to P&L statement account. Related to P&L statement account. Revenues and expenses account groups related to P&L statement account group. What is P&L? It stands for profit and loss. Profit and loss. Okay.
Yeah.
Then next, assets and liabilities. Assets and liabilities account groups. Assets and liabilities account groups related to balance sheet account. Balance sheet account. Balance sheet account. Okay. Right. So
Yeah.
as I am trying to create a rent GL account, which is an expense account, now which option I should select, whether it is profit and loss or balance sheet?
Profit and loss.
Profit and loss. So by default, always system will select profit and loss statement account only. Okay. So I am repeating once again. Account group select expenses. Okay, default it will be profit and loss statement account. If you are creating a balance sheet related GL account, then you are supposed to select second option. At present, we are not creating balance sheet related GL account. We are creating expenses profit and loss account or profit and loss statement account GL account. Therefore, I am keeping as it is. Then short text, just give rent account, rent A by C. A by C stands for account. Rent account, rent A by C. Then next one, GL account long text. GL account long text. Just I am giving rent account, GL account long text, rent account. Here I have a question for you. Okay, see, as we are human beings, we will understand that it is a rent account which is related to expense. But how system will understand that 3 lakh one is related to rent and it is an expense related account? How it will understand? Did you get my question?
Yes.
How system will understand that 3 lakh one which is a rent GL account and which is an expense? How GL system will understand?
Maybe because of the account group number which we have specified.
Correct.
3 lakh.
See, yeah, correct. Under the account group expense, we are creating this GL account, rent GL account. Therefore, 3 lakh one will be interpreted, will be understood by the system as expense only. Suppose if I select revenue, it will understand it as a revenue. Suppose if I select asset, it will understand it as an asset. Clear?
Yes.
Okay, so account group expenses, profit and loss statement, short text rent account, GL account long text rent account. Okay, this trading partner I'll explain later on afterwards sessions. Okay, then so GL account long text rent account, then click on control data tab. Click on control data tab. Control data tab. In this, you could see account currency already filled INR. Account currency INR. System has picked up the currency automatically. Is there any reason why system has picked up automatically the currency INR?
Maybe the company code which we specified initially.
Correct. So company code we have given MMI1. If we go and see the company code, while defining the company code MMI1, we have defined currency as INR. I'll show you once again for your clarity's sake. Today's session is very, very important, Manish, actually speaking.
Okay.
It's too important because so many things we will discuss.
Sure.
See, just I'll show you our company code. See, here we have maintained INR. As we have maintained INR as the currency under the company code MMI1, here system has picked up INR as the currency. Am I clear?
Yeah.
Yeah. Next, you can see various options: only balance in local currency, exchange rate difference key, valuation group, tax category, posting without tax allowed, reconciliation account for account type, alternative account number, tolerance group, open item management. All these options will be explained as and when the time comes. This is not the right time to understand all those things, please. Okay.
Okay.
Then select line item display checkbox. select line item display checkbox. Why this option has to be enabled, I'll show you after some sessions. Then sort key. What is the sort key? Why is the sort key? How is the sort key? When is the sort key? Where is the sort key? All those things will be answered slowly when the sessions are going on. So sort key, just I'll show you the different sort keys provided by the SAP. Number of sort keys have been provided by SAP. So I'll show you them. See, these are all the sort keys provided by the SAP, different sort keys. Sort key is a 3-digit code. So from this, just give 001 posting date. Give the sort key 001, which will speak about posting date. Sort key 001. Click on create oblique bank oblique interest tab. Click on create oblique bank oblique interest tab. That is the third tab. Field status group. Did we remember the terminology field status group?
Yeah.
Yeah, we have created one field status group. I'll show you what is that field status group which we have created. Okay. We have created one field status group called MMI1 by copying the standard field status group 000. Yeah, we have created one field status group MMI1. See, in this MMI1, we have field status groups G001, various double field status groups. And if you remembered very well, under this field status group G001, we have made a text field as mandatory field, required field, right?
Yes.
Okay, so just remember. So give field status group G001, G001. Click on save. Here you can see the floppy icon. Click on save. And get the message data saved. You can see the message on the bottom left side. Get the message data saved. Okay. Yeah. Continuation. Click on change company code. Click on change company code icon. Give the company code, our company code MMI1. MMI1. Press enter. Press enter. See, now you can see the GL account which we have created. Visible?
Yes.
Yeah. Next step. Let's go to the next step. Step number 6. Step number 6. Create cash GL account. GL account using FS00. Create cash GL account using FS00. Create cash GL account. The transaction code is FS00. The path for this is same as step 5, sorry, same as substep 1, substep 1 of step 5. Path is same as substep 1 of step 5. Hope you understood, ma'am. Right? Yeah. So
Yeah.
now let us create one more GL account, cash GL account. Madam, I have one question here. If you have
Yeah.
cash in your hands, sufficient cash, can you buy a building? Will you be able to buy a building if you have sufficient cash?
Yeah.
Can you buy a car?
Yes.
Can you buy a furniture?
Yes.
Can you buy a plot, open land?
Yes.
All those are properties, right?
Hmm.
All those are properties, nothing but all those are assets, right?
Yeah.
Nothing but cash is also an asset. Cash is also a property, correct?
Yes.
As it is an asset and we are trying to create a GL account for the cash. For assets, we have created one account group, if you remember well.
Yes. Yes. We have created assets,
Created,
liability, expense, and revenues, right?
correct? For assets, what is the series we have given? 1 number series or 2 number series?
I
1
don't.
number series.
Okay.
Assets, alphabet A, starting alphabet 1, starting number in numbers. You can easily remember like that.
Okay.
Okay. So assets. So that means cash GL account shall be created under assets series. It has to be created under assets series means which number range we have to use? 1 lakh series or 2 lakh
One.
series or 3? 1 lakh series.
1
Correct.
lakh.
Yeah. Let us create. Okay. Yeah. So the path is same. Same means write down now. Double click on FS00 centrally. Double click on FS00 centrally. Double click on FS00 centrally. Click on create. Click on create icon. Create icon. Give the GL account number. As we are creating cash GL account under the account group assets and we have created asset group with a number range 1 lakh to 1 lakh 99. I am taking 1 lakh 1. You can take 1 lakh also, no problem, because the same 1 lakh is also available for us. So GL account 1 lakh 1. Give 1 lakh 1 number. Give the company code MMI1. Give the company code MMI1. MMI1. Press enter. Press enter. Click on this account group icon here. I'm moving my cursor on that. Click on account group icon. Which account group I should select now? Hello?
Assets.
Assets. So select assets account group. Select assets account group. Then as it is an assets account group, asset account group falls under P&L or balance sheet.
Balance sheet.
So select balance sheet account radio button. 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 Short text, give cash account A by C. Short text, cash account. Next, GL account long text. Just I am giving cash account, ACCOUNT. Cash account, cash account. Then click on control data tab. Click on control data tab. Click on control data tab. Select only balances in local currency checkbox. Select only balances in local currency checkbox. Select only balances in local currency checkbox. See, for all balance sheet account related GL accounts, this option has to be enabled. This particular option, balances in local currency option or checkbox, should be selected for all balance sheet related GL accounts. Then next, select line item display checkbox. Select line item display checkbox. Line item display checkbox. Give the sort key 001. Need not be 001. You can give any sort key which is relevant. I have showed you already. These are all the various sort keys given. Relevant one should be taken. Okay. Slowly you will understand which one is relevant, which one is not relevant. So for time being, we are taking posting date. So give the sort key 001. Click on create bank interest tab. Click on create bank interest tab. Click on create bank interest tab. Give the field status group G001. Give the field status group G001. 001. Then select relevant to cash flow. Select relevant to cash flow checkbox. Select relevant to cash flow checkbox. Cash flow, what exactly is cash flow? Any idea, Manisha?
Maybe a transfer of cash from
Correct, you're right only.
one.
See, transfer of cash is nothing but, suppose, assume you are transferring cash to me. That means you are foregoing cash or you are receiving cash?
Foregoing.
Foregoing. Another way, I am transferring cash to you. You are receiving cash or foregoing cash?
Receiving.
Receiving. That means whether cash is going out from you or cashing is coming to you, it will indicate a flow. If you are receiving, it is called as inflow of cash. If you are losing, if you are foregoing, it is called as outflow of cash.
Okay.
So there are two types cash flows: outflow of cash, inflow of cash. If you are saying inflow, means you are receiving the cash. If you are saying outflow, it means you are losing the cash, you are paying cash. Getting my point?
Yes.
That means whether you will pay cash, whether organization is paying cash or receiving cash, for recording that payment of cash and receiving of cash, this particular GL account called 1,01,000 will be used by the organization. So as this 1,01,000, which is a cash GL account, which will be used for recording the cash outflows and cash inflows, we are enabling this particular option that is relevant to cash flow. Am I clear? Hello? 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 Manisha, are you in? Hello? Manisha, am I audible, please? Hello. Yeah, fine. Okay, so continuation. So select relevant to cash flow checkbox, then click on save. Click on save. Get the message data saved. Get the message data saved. Get the message data saved. So totally we have created 2 GL accounts.
Hello.
One, yeah, please go ahead. Any doubts?
No, actually my voice was not audible, so now it's fine.
Oh, okay. So we have created 2 GL accounts. One is 3 lakh one rent GL account. Other one is 1 lakh one cash GL account. Okay, right. So let me repeat once again. Field status group, which is very important. Line item display, also very important. And here account group is important. Relevant account group shall be selected. For cash GL account, we have selected assets, and for rent GL account, we have selected expenses account group, right? Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Suppose what I am trying to do is I will show you something very important. I would like to edit GL account, rent GL account. Let me edit. Suppose actually rent is an expense, therefore we have selected expense account group. Suppose if I select revenue account group, whether system will allow us or not, let us check. Just I'm checking for your information sake only. See
Okay.
revenue. As soon as I pressed revenue, see system has given an error message. Account group revenue only defined for accounts from 4 lakhs to 4 lakhs 99. See, I'll show you here.
Yeah, we
Revenue,
have.
right? So that's why system is throwing an error. If I change, let me check with another account group, assets. Still it has to give error. See error. Let me check with liabilities as well. Error. So now I'm giving expense. It will take now. Understood?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
So that is what. See why we have created account group. Hope you must have understood now.
Yeah.
Okay. Right. The next step. Next step. Step number 7. Okay. Before going to the step number 7, Manisha, so far whatever we have done, whatever the steps we have done so far from the day one session, these are all the steps which will be performed by the SAP consultant. Nothing but we have made some settings. Am I right?
Yeah.
So now what we are going to do is we are going to enter into end user area.
Okay.
Okay, end user area means who are end users? End users are the persons or the employees of the
Processing
organization
that.
who will process the transaction. So
Yeah.
now just let me take one example. Let me take one transaction which has happened during the business, and that transaction is, yeah, just take a step. Post or process rent of rupees 5,000 paid by the organization. Paid by the organization. It is a transaction. It is an activity that has taken place. Organization or business has paid rent. As it has paid rent, it will be considered as a transaction or activity. As it is a transaction, it has to be recorded in the system or not.
Yes. It has to be
So
recorded.
recorded, nothing but it has to be processed in the system. It has to be processed means who has to process? End users has to process. Okay,
Yes.
using now transaction code using F-02 F-02. Have you ever worked towards finance side?
No, actually, I'm working on this PS project system.
Project system
Uh,
of a
yeah,
SAP module.
yeah.
You know already SAP.
Yeah, just as a fresher last year I've joined 1.7 years of experience.
Oh, so you're working in support project or implementation or
No,
rollout
it's a
or
support.
upgradation?
No, it's a support. Just in rollout we are working our senior. I mean helping our seniors, but
Okay.
mostly we are working in this support.
Okay. Have you done training in PS?
No, as a fresher I've joined in Delhi MC,
Mm.
so no proper training as such. Just real time whatever experience we are gaining.
Okay, okay. Do you have any knowledge transfer sessions during the job?
Sorry.
Are you getting any knowledge transfer sessions, KT sessions during the job?
Yeah, initially we were getting we
Mm.
have recordings and all as much as required for this we are having that
Mm.
much not
Oh.
complete like scenarios of in and out business process, but yeah, as
Mm.
much it's required for this project and somewhat extra we are trying to gather from here and there and just trainings and all.
Oh, fine, fine, fine. Excellent. Okay, okay, okay. Then you are from BTech background, right?
Yeah, BTech computer science.
Computer science. Excellent. You are from Delhi.
No, I'm actually from basically from Bihar and did my BTech from West Bengal.
Okay, now you are at Delhi, working in Delhi.
No, Delhi MC Bangalore.
Oh, that organization name is
Dell
Dell
EMC.
NC.
Yeah, Dell
Dell.
EMC.
Okay,
EMC
okay,
Square.
Bangalore.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, okay. Fine, fine. So 1.5 years experience.
Yeah.
Fine, fine. Okay. So now, yeah, let's go into the step. Step number 7, post or process rent of rupees 5,000 paid by the organization using F-02. So as it is a business transaction, it has to be processed by the end users. As end user is processing, in the initial session, in the first session, I have explained about two screens. One is SAP Easy Access screen, another one is IMG screen. Remembered?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So end users will use which screen? Easy Access
Easy,
screen or IMG screen?
easy access.
Easy Access screen. Perfect. Okay. So now take down the path. Take down the path, please. SAP Easy Access. SAP Easy Access. Accounting. Accounting. Financial accounting. Financial accounting. General ledger. General ledger. General ledger. Yeah. Before continuing the path, I would like to show you the document in which I'm typing. What is the step description I have used? Post oblique process, right?
Yeah.
Post oblique process. See, some things we can understand carefully if we have a very good observation. The step description I have started with is post oblique process. Now come to the path. General ledger. So basing on the step description, next which option I should go for, whether posting or document or account?
Posting first.
Correct. Posting. Posting. Then double click on F-02 general posting. Double click on F-02 general posting. General posting. Okay. Double click on F-02 general posting. Yeah.
Yes.
So with permission, I would like to stop the session because post posting a transaction, posting an activity is very, very important. Okay, as others have not joined, can I postpone this activity to tomorrow by stopping session
Yeah.
here for today?
Yeah. No problem.
With permission only.
Yeah. Yeah. No problem.
Okay, so hope you can you understood. my intention.
Yeah. Yeah, I understood.
Okay. So my what I want to say is, what is your job timings?
Actually, currently we are working on shifts. So
Mm.
sometimes it's like morning 6 to 3 p.m. IST, and for again when it changes to afternoon, it's 2 p.m. IST to 11 p.m. IST, and at night it's 10 p.m. IST to 7 a.m. IST.
If
It's
it is in the if you are in the second shift, how do you attend the sessions?
no, I'm just doing this while taking permission from company itself. Via
Oh,
company, I'm
then
doing this. So I'll just take 1.5 hour from that time itself, and I can continue.
excellent, excellent. Your company has sponsored means I can understand your potential. So definitely, I will give you the maximum, Manisha, for you.
Yeah, even actually, I want to understand that link between PS and this finance.
At the end of the training, I'll share some
Yeah,
documents to you.
yeah, sure, Jay. Yeah,
Yeah. Okay. So before that, also, I will share some documents through this Vasu, which are related to basic accounting principles.
okay,
Okay, if you go through around 5 or 6 pages in that document, you will understand what is expense, what is revenue, what is the link, why I am asset, why I have created account group, asset, liability, revenue, and all those things. Okay,
okay, yeah,
those things will help you a lot in understanding, because these are all core accounting actually.
okay,
Okay, so I'll
sure,
share that document. Okay, all right.
yeah,
Hmm. So thank you. Tomorrow we'll
yep,
meet sharp at 8 a.m. Even one person comes also, I'll start in time.
yeah, sure, Jay. Yeah,
Okay, all right.
thank you,
Yeah,
thank you so
you're
much.
welcome. Yeah, yeah. Bye.